All right, first we're going to take you on the tour of the outside of this beautiful vehicle. Like I said, 2018 Chevy Traverse, the redline edition, premier redline edition. So let's take you on out. Outside. You see, we have the redline edition rims. As you can see, they had the redline coating. I pretty much love these rims. I like the black gloss with the red stripes on it. It makes it pop. As you got these tires Continental. They are cross contact LX20 Eco Plus technology. These wheels are 255 by 55 R20, all season tire. As you can see, we have the Traverse blacked out with the red outline. Good touch. You see all black gloss trim all the way around. We have the roof rack on top, and if you look at these tail lights, got the clear, somewhat of a black tint to it. You see the smoke tint to it, but clear LED brake light. We have our rear wiper, so when it's raining, sorry about you can get the water off of there. We got chrome dual tip exhaust with the backup parking sensors. So take you all the way around this car. Compliments to my neighbor who provided me with this car today. Look at those wheels, those black 20s with that red stripe. It's an amazing vehicle. As you see, the door handles lock, unlock, pull it open, and take you inside in a minute. We have our black side mirrors, side view mirrors. Seems, if you see in here, I don't know, it has some type of metallic. So it's a black metallic that goes pretty good with that color. You see, you got your sunroof right here. Let's take you to the front of the vehicle. Got your nice clear fog lights in front. As you know, this edition, all black trim. The black Chevy logo. These headlights are amazing. I am a fan of Chevy new look that they go on, especially with a lot of the like crossover SUVs. And as you see, your orange turn signals right here. These LEDs, we'll love to see how they look. So let's turn these LEDs on. Like here's your one touch open, which is already taken care of. Let's get in the inside. Oop. So, all right, let's see if we can turn these headlights on so you can see what the headlights look like. All right, so as you can see, headlights on, LED right there. I believe these are the daytime running lights with the LED bar right there. In the front, camera right there. We'll talk about that once I get into the interior. So if anybody's looking for a good family vehicle and that has some style, this Traverse could be the way to go. So this is the inside of the Traverse, front driver's seat. We have the rear seats for the back passenger, and also the third row. If you can see in the back, all right, a nice little child seat. Like I said, this car is for the family. And let's open this tailgate. All right, tailgate opens at the bottom. Reach down here and bow. We also have luggage in the back for those who need space in the back. All right. So, if you're looking for a vehicle and you need space, and as the third row drops down, you can put your kids back here. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this interior. This is the classic Chevy interior. Chevys kind of have been updating the interior. So first, we want to start with 9-speed automatic transmission. We have the Q infotainment system with 4G LTE Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at the center compartment. The armrest. You have a small tray, put chains, small items here. You have a deep compartment, put cell phones, chargers, wallet, and also you can have your car snacks on your drive. So let's take a look at the next feature. As you see, we have our park assist, electric parking assist. Also, we have this car has adaptive cruise control. So this is, you have your lane departure. So if you come out of the lane, you're more likely to get a vibration, and it has a snow button right here. So you see with Chevys, it's American, so the interior quality, it's not gonna be on par with Germans, but it is a comfortable place to be. So as we work with this audio issue, the glove compartment, it's pretty decent size. Right now, you got the center mirror with the auto dim, so if headlights hit that center mirror, it would dim it for you and not blind you. Up top, you have the OnStar SOS, and I believe it has the garage control and also the dual sunroof control. Pretty good feature. You also got your overhead mirror, check your pretty face out. Pretty simple, basic there. We have, as you can look at the steering wheel, we have all our infotainment buttons where you navigate through the navigation system. You have your push to talk, so you want to talk to somebody for your Bluetooth. Cruise control features over here, your wipers, your turn signals. This Q system has been not the best. You can push audio, you got your phone connection, your navigation, and that's your phone list. And also you have your backup light, and also it's your backup camera, and also has a tailgate that points down so you can see down. Push your home button. As you know, a lot of new cars, they have dual zone climate control for your driver's side, for your passenger side. And I would say you also have your auxiliary USB inputs right here, plus your traditional cigarette lighter right there. Like I said, the interior is pretty decent. Don't let me forget, 10-speaker Bose surround sound. Yes, this vehicle has a 10-speaker Bose surround sound. Sounds pretty good. It also has a rich bass woofer in the back. Slogan goes, no highs, no lows, must be Bose. Just kidding. So let's take a look in the back. Right here we have two captain's chairs in the middle. You see we have a baby seat here. As Here's the pass through of the captain seats to the third row. You'll see later in the video me trying to fit back there. We have latch over here, which I'm going to demonstrate. But what you can see is the front passenger was kind of far back, so let me go around front and make that adjustment. Okay, as you see, it's fold down. Try to look for a latch to see if it folds up and stows away, but it's not. We have the third row. Once the third row goes flat and the middle row goes flat, you have a lot of storage straight past. So as we continue with this voiceover, because of the audio issue, I'm going to take you more to the interior that you can see from the other angle. So bear with me. Alright, so time to look in the interior. So right here we have nice size cup holders for the driver and the right passenger. The switch that we see is for the lane departure and also snow mode when it gets a little slippery. There's the glove compartment, not too big, not too small. We also have side compartments here. We also have the unlock and window up and the chrome latch to open the door. The interior, you see a bunch of hard plastics on the door. That's a Chevy interior, not gonna be a part with the Germans, but hey, not too bad. So we got the piano black with the My Link system. I'm not too much of a fan of it because it's smudge and fingerprints on the screen and also on the black. But some of the materials are pretty decent, but you got a lot of hard materials. You can see front and rear sunroof. Passengers are going to love it, and you're going to love it. You get enough sun, get to look at the stars at night. Pretty good feature. So now let's go in the back. Oh no, we're going to touch. That's that one touch entry. Excuse the camera equipment. We have the climate control for the back passengers with the USB charge and 12 volt. Pockets not too big and behind the seats for storage. You have your cup holder. You have your grip handle, side compartment for storage for the passengers. Not too bad. All right, captain's chair. So you see the child seat, so there's enough room. You have enough room in the vehicle for children. What I'm going to demonstrate here, pretty sure I'm going to demonstrate the latch. Yes, that's the guard for the seatbelt for children. There's a latch, folds down, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to try to demonstrate me getting in the back and see how it fit for average size adults. But as you see, 3 passengers just can fit in the back. More likely children, but as you see as I demonstrate, I'm about 6 feet. And will I have any leg room? No. It was pretty tight. I would not advise anybody over 5'5" to try to fit back there. It's not very comfortable. I believe that's only for small children. So I'm gonna show you some of the features of back here. You got the USB charge, you got cup holders and storage, a little bit of storage back there. So USB charge on both sides. You have your vents for your passengers. They can adjust the airflow above them. And you, like I said, the passenger sunroof, like they will love it. They definitely will love it. But decent size, definitely a family vehicle. I believe anybody would be pretty happy with that. Captain's chairs and the pass through makes it easy to get in the back. And your armrest, you can chill out, have your armrest up, be on your phone. Yeah, once again, excuse me.
Okay, so this video was supposed to end with me test driving the car, talking about it while driving it. I had the video, but my editing software scenes that fell before the process of encoding it has finished, and it's on the video. It's on the part where I'm test driving the vehicle, which is it's a sad news because it was a pretty good shot, and me more talking about the car. So I apologies. More videos to come with me test driving the car, actually in the vehicle. There's nothing I can do. Like I said, my apologies. So just stay tuned. Hopefully this video gave enough detail and can help you as a consumer looking for a vehicle like this. It's a pretty decent vehicle. I like it, especially that color. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. More videos to come, especially with me test driving the vehicle. I just probably have to use a different camera. All right, thank you.